Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start with essentials. Do them quickly and deliberately. First, confirm the SIM is seated and test with a known working SIM. This rules out hardware and carrier issues. Once done, charge the phone above 20% so resets complete reliably, then toggle airplane mode for about 10 seconds to reset radio stacks. Next, go into Settings Right Arrow Network and Internet Right Arrow Mobile Network to see current operator and network type. You need that view for the next, deeper steps. Now run diagnostics with intentional focus. Manually select the carrier, then switch back to automatic to force a fresh registration attempt. Observe any error messages. If selection fails, reset network settings to clear APN and saved configs, because corrupt APN or VPN profiles often block registration. Also inspect About Phone for baseband and IMEI values. If baseband is missing or IMEI reads null, you have firmware or provisioning problems to address next. Finish by restoring the modem firmware or applying the official OTA. This typically recovers a missing baseband and fixes mobile network not available. If firmware is intact, call your carrier with the IMEI and account details so they can check provisioning or reprovision your SIM. Make sure to test the device with a different carrier SIM to isolate hardware faults. Troubleshooting tip: if the IMEI or baseband remains invalid after these steps, prioritize hardware repair. Software steps won't.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.